It's a little chilly out, guys. So today I'm going to show you how I drink in the winter. Hot chocolate with Baileys. Let's throw it together really, really quick. All we're using is what you see on this table right here in front of me. We're going to add in our milk. Milk is in. Now we're going to add in our chocolate. Did I drop one? I did. Be careful if you grab it. Don't burn yourself. Now that most of our chocolate is melted, you see how you have that color difference? Looks so good. I'm just making sure to scrape my edges, guys. Scrape them edges. Don't let them stick. Don't do it. In this little bowl, I have some sugar. I have cocoa powder at the bottom, and I also have just a pinch of cinnamon. And I'm going to drop and add that in as well. We're going to stir and constantly whisk. Get that all incorporated. Now that this is all melted, we're going to just turn this all the way off. I grabbed the pot holder, guys, just to put my pot on because we don't want this to scald our milk. So now that it's all melted, guys, and we have that luscious hot chocolate color. Oh, it looks so good. Last two things we're adding, just a bit of vanilla. That was a lot of a bit. A lot of a bit. But it's all right. Whisk that in. The best part. And we're just going to pour it into our liking. That smells right. Time to transfer. I wish I had clear glass mugs so you can see what it looks like, but I don't. But we do have these Dollar Tree mugs, one for me, one for Beck. We're gonna gently, slowly. All right, so they are divided in my cups evenly. Now time for the final touches. I got hooked on Ready Whip when I started the keto diet. This was my dessert every day. I love it. I still love it. And we're gonna go just a light drizzle. Just a light drizzle. Just a light drizzle. Now let's try it. That's good.